Hello students, আমাৰ আজিৰ টপিক হৈছে generation of computers, মানে কম্পিউটাৰৰ প্ৰজন্ম। The term computer generation is often used in relation to the hardware of computers. Computer generation termটো hardwareৰ লগত related. Each phase of computer development is known as a separate generation of computers. কম্পিউটাৰৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্টৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো ফেজ ছেপাৰেট জেনেৰেশ্যন হিচাপে জনা যায়। Each phase of development is characterized by type of switching circuits it utilizes. প্ৰত্যেকটো ডেভেলপমেণ্ট ফেজৰ বৈশিষ্ট্য হৈছে ই ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা switching circuitsৰ প্ৰকাৰ। Here we will briefly talk about various computer generations and the key technology of that generation, followed by the key features, limitations and major computers of all computer generations. ইয়াত আমি কম্পিউটাৰৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰজন্ম আৰু সেই প্ৰজন্মৰ কি টেকনলজিৰ বিষয়ে ডিসকাস কৰিম আৰু তাৰ পিছত কি ফিচাৰ্স, লিমিটেশনস, মেজৰ কম্পিউটাৰ্স সকলোবোৰ। First generation 1940 to 1956 vacuum tubes. The first generation computers were huge, slow, expensive and often unreliable. প্ৰথম প্ৰজন্মৰ কম্পিউটাৰসমূহ বিশাল, লেহেমীয়া, ব্যয়বহুল আৰু প্ৰায়ে বিশ্বাসযোগ্য নাছিল। It used vacuum tubes for circularity. ইয়াত ভেকুৱাম টিউবৰ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছিল সাৰ্কুলাৰিটিৰ বাবে। কি ফিচাৰ্স, মূল বৈশিষ্ট্যসমূহ। Big and clumsy computers that used vacuum tubes. Vacuum tube use কৰা ডাঙৰ আৰু clumsy কম্পিউটাৰ। Not very reliable as electric failure occurred regularly. Regularly electric failure হোৱাৰ বাবে নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য নহয়। Large air conditioners were necessary because the computers generated lot of heat. ডাঙৰ এয়াৰ কণ্ডিশনাৰৰ প্ৰয়োজন হৈছিল কাৰণ কম্পিউটাৰ্ছবোৰে বহুত হিট জেনেৰেট কৰিছিল। Used stored program concept. Stored program conceptটো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল। Programming in machine language. Machine languageত programming কৰিছিল। Remarks. Very large space requirement. অতি বৃহৎ স্পেচৰ প্ৰয়োজন। High electricity consumption. অধিক ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটিৰ প্ৰয়োজন। Generated lot of heat. বহুত হিট জেনেৰেট কৰিছিল। Slow operating speed. লেহেমীয়া operating speed. Restricted computing capacity. নিষিদ্ধ computing capacity. Limited programming capabilities. সীমিত programming capability. Input and output devices. Either no input devices, hardwired programs, or control panels with switches used in UNIVAC. হয় কোনো input device নাই বা switchesৰ হৈতে control panels UNIVACত ব্যৱহৃত। Memory type magnetic drums. Storage punch cards and paper tape. Major computers ENIAC Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. EDVAC Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. EDSAC Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Computer. UNIVAC-1 built by UNIVAC division of Remington Rand. Second generation 1956 to 1963 transistors. The creation of transistors sparked the production of a wave of second generation computer. Transistorer creationৰ ফলত দ্বিতীয় প্ৰজন্ম কম্পিউটাৰৰ সৃষ্টি হয়। Transistor was a small device used to transfer electronic signals across a resistor. Transistor আছিলে ৰেজিষ্টৰৰ মাজেৰে ইলেক্ট্ৰনিক signals transfer কৰা এটা সৰু ডিভাইচ। Transistors had many advantages compared to vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubesৰ কম্পেয়াৰত ট্ৰানজিষ্টৰৰ বহুত এডভান্টেজ আছিল। Key features. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubeৰ ঠাইত ট্ৰানজিষ্টৰ আহিল। smaller in size compared to first generation computers. প্ৰথম প্ৰজন্মৰ কম্পিউটাৰৰ সাইজতকৈ সৰু. Generated lesser heat than earlier computers. আগৰ কম্পিউটাৰছতকৈ কম হিট জেনেৰেট কৰিছিল. Lower electricity consumption. বিদ্যুতৰ ব্যৱহাৰ কম. More reliable and faster. অধিক নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য আৰু faster. Programming in machine language as well as assembly language. Machine languageৰ লগতে assembly languageতো programming কৰিছিল. Remarks: Not general purpose computers, mostly suitable for scientific and bulk data processing tasks only, not for business purposes. General purpose computers নহয়, বেছিভাগেই scientific আৰু bulk data processing কামৰ বাবে উপযোগী, business purposeত নহয়. The machines were costly. Machinesবোৰ costly আছিল. Frequent maintenance required. সঘনাই maintenanceৰ প্ৰয়োজন. Input and output devices, teletypewriters and punched cards. Memory type, magnetic core. Storage, magnetic tape, hard disk. Major computers, IBM 1400 and 7000 series. Control data 3600, etc. Third generation, 1964 to 1971, integrated circuits. The development of integrated circuit IC in 1961 signaled the beginning of the third generation computers, the integrated circuit technology, which had reduced the size and cost of computers enormously. 1961ত ইন্টিগ্ৰেটেড সাৰ্কিটৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্টে কম্পিউটাৰৰ তৃতীয় প্ৰজন্মৰ আৰম্ভ কৰিলে, যিয়ে কম্পিউটাৰৰ সাইজ আৰু কষ্ট বহু পৰিমাণে হ্ৰাস কৰিছিল. The IC is a complete electronic circuit on a small chip of silicon, which is also known as semiconductor. IC হৈছে এটা complete electronic circuit সিলিকনৰ সৰু চিপ এটাত, যাক semiconductor বুলিও কোৱা হয়. Other than that, the magnetic core memory was replaced by a device called a microchip. ইয়াৰ বাহিৰেও magnetic core memoryৰ ঠাইত microchip নামৰ ডিভাইচ এটা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছিল. Also, the first 256-bit RAM was introduced and it was the basis for development of 1K bit RAM. প্ৰথম দুটা 256-bit RAM invent হৈছিল 1K bit RAMৰ development হিচাপে. An integrated circuit IC is a small electronic device made out of a semiconductor material. IC হৈছে এটা সৰু ইলেক্ট্ৰনিক ডিভাইচ semiconductor materialৰ পৰা বনোৱা. Key features: integrated circuits. Computers smaller, faster and reliable. কম্পিউটাৰসমূহ সৰু, faster আৰু বেছি নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য. Lower power consumption. Power ব্যৱহাৰ কম. High level languages developed. High level languagesৰ বিকাশ হ'ল. Size of main memories reached about 4 megabytes and storage drive capacities reached up to 100 megabytes. Main memory size প্ৰায়ে 4 megabytes আৰু storage driver 100 megabyte লৈকে পোৱা গৈছিল. Remarks: proved to be highly reliable, relatively inexpensive and faster. অতি নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য, তুলনামূলকভাৱে কম খৰচী আৰু ফাষ্টাৰ বুলি প্ৰমাণিত হ'ল. Less human labor was required at assembly stage. Assembly stageত human labor কম প্ৰয়োজন হৈছিল. Input and output devices, keyboards, printers. Memory type, core memory and DRAM chips. Storage, hard disk, floppy disk. Major computers, IBM 360 series, ICL 1900 series, IBM 370168, ICL 2900, Honeywell Model 316, Honeywell 6000 series, ICL 2903, CDC 1700. Fourth generation, 1971 to present, microprocessors. In 1971, Intel created the first microprocessor and the era of fourth generation computers started. 1971ত Intel প্ৰথম microprocessor create কৰে আৰু চতুৰ্থ প্ৰজন্মৰ আৰম্ভণি হয়. During the fourth generation, hardware technologies such as silicon chips, microprocessor, and storage devices were invented. Hardware technologies and silicon chips, microprocessor, and storage devices or invention fourth generationote hoisil. A microprocessor is a specialized chip which is developed for computer memory and logic. Microprocessor hoise eta special chip jitu computeror memory aru logicor babe develop kora hoise. Key features: large and very large integrated circuits LSI and VLSI. Bahut dangor integrated circuits LSI aru VLSI mane large scale integration aru very large scale integration. Microcomputers series such as IBM and Apple developed. IBM aru Apple or dore microcomputers or series develop kora hoy. Portable computers developed. Portable computer develop hoy. Great development in data communication. Data communication or khetrot brihot development. Different types of secondary memory with high storage capacity up to terabytes and fast access developed. High memory capacity বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ secondary memory up to terabyte develop কৰা হৈছে যাৰ accessও বহুত fast হয়. Programming in high level languages 4GLs. High level languages ot programming হয় মানে fourth generation language use হয়. Remarks: computer cost came down so rapidly that these found places in most offices and homes. Computeror খৰচ ইমানে rapidly কমি আহিলে যে বেছিভাগ offices আৰু ঘৰত ঠাই পালে. Smaller and faster, সৰু আৰু fast. More speed, reliability, storage capability. অধিক speed, নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য আৰু storage capability. Personal software industry boomed. Personal software industry উত্থান হ'ল. Input and output devices. Keyboard, mouse, joystick, voice input, printers, plotters, speakers, etc. Memory chips. Storage, hard disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD, flash memories, Blu-ray disk, cloud. Major computers. Pentium 80286, 80386, 80486, P5, dual core, quad core, etc. PowerPC, AMD, Apple Macintosh, IBM, Dell, many RISC, reduced instruction set computers. Fifth generation, present and beyond, artificial intelligence. The fifth generation computers are technologically advanced and are still being developed to become more efficient, though there are some applications such as voice recognition, advanced robotics that are being used today. Pancham প্ৰজন্মৰ computers সমূহ technologically উন্নত আৰু এতিয়াও efficient হ'বলৈ develop কৰি থকা হৈছে. যদিও কিছুমান এপ্লিকেশ্যন যেনে ভইচ ৰিকগনিশ্যন এডভান্সড ৰবটিক্স আজিও ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছে The use of parallel processing and superconductors is helping to make artificial intelligence a reality. Parallel processing আৰু superconductorsৰ ব্যৱহাৰে artificial intelligenceক reality কৰাত সহায় কৰিছে Key features Parallel processing. Many processors are grouped to function as one large group processor. কেইবাটাও processorক একগোট কৰি তাক এটা ডাঙৰ processor হিচাপে function কৰোৱা. Superconductors. A superconductor is a conductor through which electricity can travel without any resistance, resulting in faster transfer of information between the components of a computer. Remarks found applications in code ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হৈছে intelligent systems that could control the route of a missile and defense systems that could fend off attacks missile or route আৰু defense system control কৰিব পৰা intelligent systems word processors that could be controlled by means of speech recognition control কৰিব পৰা word processors Programs that could translate documents from one language to another. Eta languageor pora an eta languageoloi documents translate koribo pora program. Input and output devices. keyboard, mouse, joysticks, voice input, printers, plotters, speakers, etc. memory chips, storage, hard disk, CD, DVD, flash memories, Blu-ray disc, cloud. Major computers, many robots and robotic devices. Next, আমি ইয়াত দেখিবলৈ পাইছো এখন টেবল য'ত আমাৰ 5টা জেনাৰেশনৰ সামাৰি আছে। 3টা ভাগত ভাগ কৰি লৈছো জেনাৰেশন অফ কম্পিউটাৰ্স, টাইমলাইন আৰু টেকনলজি। ফাৰ্স্ট জেনাৰেশন 1940 পৰা 1956 লৈ আৰু তাৰ টেকনলজি হৈছিল ভেকুৱাম টিউব বেসড। সেকেন্ড জেনাৰেশন 1956 পৰা 1963 লৈ ট্ৰানজিস্টৰ বেসড। থাৰ্ড জেনাৰেশন 1964 পৰা 1971 লৈ ইন্টিগ্ৰেটেড সাৰ্কিট বেসড। Fourth generation 1971 পৰা present microprocessor based. Fifth generation present and beyond artificial intelligence based. Thank you. এই ভিডিওটোত যদি কাৰোবাৰ কিবা ডাউট আছে কমেন্টত সুধিবা আৰু লাইক কৰিবা। Do subscribe and share. আমি নেক্সট ভিডিওত লগ পাই আছো। Bye bye.